I've been up and down. A lot has been happening. So, of course, oh, so I don't know what's been. I haven't been doing a lot, but I took buys. I took buys early. I shouldn't have taken those buys then, because now the market's just starting to shoot up, right? Because we see we've been buying. You saw that the market actually reacted here. You remember we said the market reacted here. It went up and went back down. It went up and now came back down yesterday. So I have been trading. I don't want to lie, I've been trading senselessly. But now I funded 50 rands, and then you can tell that minus 12 rands. Let's say last week I made, let's say profit, I funded 180. Profit is about like 131. But I wanted to show you guys that yesterday I took some trades. Was it yesterday? Let me just say today. So we'll just see what's happening. We'll just see what will happen. I put 2 trades, 0.01 buys. Let's do this. Now this one we are holding, guys, until TP. We don't want a lot. We don't want, to we don't want to go up and down. So we want to hold this trade until it hits take profits. I won't be looking at the market for some time. I think today is news, but hey, we reacted from the overall low. You can tell that's a low. We expected to buy so many times. I expected to buy around here as well, but the market came down, so it's fine. It's fine. We'll just let the market be. How do we know that it's gonna go to that high? We just take this, let it ride smoothly. I'll do this. Let it ride smoothly the way we are used to. We do this thing all the time. Let it ride smoothly, and then boom, we can tell that the market is ready to what? It's ready to buy. So I'm going to hold these buys. I don't want to do anything. The market went down, of course. We were holding losses, but we didn't enter full margin, so we were able to stomach, is it the right word? We were able to stomach the drawdown. So now we're just looking for the market to buy. I don't want to lie, I don't want to look at the market, so that's why I took a 30 minutes trade. I don't want to, because there's a lot that's been happening. So we'll just let the markets be. Let the markets be, get into profits, probably close profits once we are like 200%, which is like now I have 49 rands. So if I at least make 200 rands, I'm done. I'm closing my trades, I'm setting break even, or I'm trailing my stops, so that I just let the market move without risking my own money. Sorry about that. I don't know if I'm able to remove that, but I hope I should be able to do it. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm not gonna be doing a lot of videos. I think I have another video I have to post. I'll post it. I don't know how many times I said I'll post videos, but for sure I should be able to post that one. And then we'll see what happens. Gold has been consolidating for the longest time, playing in these highs and lows. So right now it created a double bottom, right? It created a double bottom around here. It created a double top. That's why it decided to sell, right? But right now we can tell that gold is gonna buy. So let's just be patient enough to let gold do its thing, because when we go to the 5 minutes, we see gold is pushing up nicely. 15 minutes, gold is pushing up nicely. Some rejection. 1 hour, you can see rejection. So we don't want to enter trades, a lot of trades. We just want to let go be, let the market be. leave the market at 30 minutes, get out of the market. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Now the other thing is we want to look at news, economic news. The calendar is really not that busy today, so it's not gonna be a problem. Let's do this. Let's look at what's happening. Calendar, investing.com. You can either check investing.com or you can check other economic news. There's PPI, it's not gonna do much. Crude oil inventories, it's not gonna do much. These news are not news that are pretty much tradable, I should say, because I'm always in the market, so I know that there's not much volatility, especially for PPI and crude oil inventories. So I don't think we're gonna expect bigger movements or something like that. So let's just end the video here and see what we're gonna do. You can tell by the tone of my voice that I'm not even in the mood to make videos. I'm really not in the mood to make videos, but so that I do not post a lot, I guess I'm gonna do this. This is very much easy because you can see my face. I can communicate and show the chat at the same time. Man. We need a TP, guys. We really need a TP. Once the market hits TP, I'm sure we'll close around like 200%, even 400%. It doesn't matter. So we'll just let the market hit TP. I don't want to be involved too much in the market. There's a lot happening. I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. I was thinking of like just letting trading be just for a while, for a couple of days, or just trade next week, because I'm also bleeding cash and I just realized I had to do a lot of things. I had to spend a lot of my money, so now broke like always, but we'll be back. I'll show you the trades around, maybe on afternoon, if not afternoon, around late at night. Hopefully we'll hit TP. Peace.